no impact to credit. We do a soft pull on your credit report, which does not impact your credit score. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button as well as smash the subscribe button. Also, as a reminder to all subscribers and viewers, this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. Now, in today's video, we have an absolute game changer. I'm gonna be sharing with you a brand new business line of credit where you can get up to 0% financing for 60 days. That's right. So 0 interest for 60 days. There's absolutely no hard credit check whatsoever. And you get credit limits that are 10 times higher than traditional credit card limits. Introducing Flexbase, a business card with 0% for 60 days. This is more than another business card. This is a finance super app for accelerated growth. So Flexbase is a fintech company that offers a business line of credit with 0% interest for 60 days. Now, originally, when they first came out, this was only going to be for construction companies, but from what it looks like, they've opened up the criteria in terms of the eligible businesses. So that can include logistics companies, retail businesses, e-commerce. Now, some of the key features, again, 0% interest for 60 days, and you can keep access to more working capital for longer to grow your business. It also has employee spend controls, and you can get up to 10 times the credit, so you can unlock more credit over time with your business. Flexbase also has different integration, including accounting software such as QuickBooks, Xero, and they also have integrations with Plaid. Now, some important notes: the 0% interest applies if the full balance is paid within the 60-day grace period. Interest applies when the full balance is not paid within the 60-day grace period. So the 0% applies for the first 60 days. Now, if there's still a balance after that 60-day grace period, that's when the APR will kick in. Now, some data points I wanted to cover about Flexbase. Now, there's no hard personal credit check. You do have to provide your social security number for identity verification purposes. So for any beneficial owners with at least 25% ownership in the business, will have to provide their social security number, but there's no hard inquiry on your personal credit. Flexbase uses your SSN to verify your identity and pre-qualify you for credit. We do a soft pull on your credit report, which does not impact your credit score. Now, in terms of how they're going to determine your limit, they're going to look at various different characteristics of your business, such as how long you've been in business for, your business type, but primarily is going to be based off of your business banking activity. So they do have an integration with Plaid where you can connect your accounts. They'll analyze your transactions, and then from there, they'll be able to determine an appropriate credit limit. Now, the approvals are not instant. It does take up to 5 business days for you to get a decision after you submit your full application. Now, I also wanted to mention that Flexbase does offer Treasury Management, where you can get up to $75 million in FDIC insurance. So this allows you to diversify your cash and eliminate bank run risks. So pretty much when you have your deposits at, a particular institution, you're only eligible for the $250,000 FDIC insurance. So again, the Treasury Management product enables you to diversify your cash across multiple banks, efficiently move funds, and mitigate risk. Flex Treasury partners with 400 plus FDIC insured banks and supports you opening as many accounts necessary to maximize FDIC insurance. All deposits up to $75 million are fully insured by the FDIC NCUA. No more bank run anxiety. So pretty much Flex Treasury allows you to spread your deposits across multiple different banks so that your funds are FDIC insured. So for example, if you had $1 million in one account, you're only FDIC insured up to 250. So they might spread that across the 400 different banks that they partner with, just so that your funds are insured 100%. Now, overall, I think Flexbase is a game changer because, again, you get 60 days with 0 interest. And so you could essentially use that time to make the money work in your business, right? So 60 days with no payments, 0 interest is a game changer, and it allows a lot more flexibility versus some of these other fintech corporate cards where it's like a net 30, you have to pay it off in full every 30 days. Now, if you don't pay the full balance off in 60 days, then an APR will apply. And I believe it's 24%, and that is a variable rate. Now, keep in mind, this is somewhat of a brand new fintech startup. So if you do decide to apply, it may take several business days before you're able to get a decision. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Let me know your comments and questions down below. And until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.